Maligaw man ang landas ay hahanapin ang kalsada patungo sa'yo. Ikaw ang daan. Dumilim man ang paligid ay ikaw pa rin.
Start, pay attention to my class.
Sir, I'm late. Go.
Hey, you really love me. Then solve this.
Oh no, I don't know how to answer this. Oh, I have an idea. Hi guys, can you answer this for me? What is that?
Number 1. What is function? Function is a relation in which each element of the domain corresponds to exactly one element of the range. Here are some examples of function. This is a function because each input has exactly one output. There are no repeated inputs with different outputs. And here is some example of not function. This is not a function because the domain value 1 is matched with two different range values 2 and 3, and in a function, each domain value can only be paired with one range value. Tips to identify a function. Check if any x value or input is repeated with a different y value or output. If yes, that is not a function. If no, that is function.
Relation. A relation simple show a relationship between two values. It can be show a list of ordered pairs, a table, a graph, or a mapping diagram. Relation is sets order pair. Each order pair is two elements. The first element is called domain. The second element is called the range.
Number 3. What is the difference between domain and range? Domain is a set of first elements or x values in the ordered pairs, also called as input or x values. And the range is a set of second elements or y values in the ordered pairs, also called as output or y values. Number 4. Give a real-world example of a function and explain why it qualifies as a function. The example qualifies as a function because each unit student is assigned to exactly one student, meaning every input has only one output and no ID is repeated, which satisfies the definition of a function.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Wait, where are you going? Secret?
Thank you, I'll be back.
Call baby when you say you will, but I love you still. I need you more than anyone, darling. Know that I have from the start.
Excuse me, sir.
So lift me up, buttercup, don't break my heart. I'll be over in 10. You told me time and again, but you're late. I'm playing around again. To the door, I can't take anymore. It's not you. You let me